Alright guys, would you like to be a size 4? When's the last time you were a size 4? Now, it's not all about the number, more so how you feel at that size. How much energy you're going to have, how much self-confidence you're going to have. So if you're looking to get off a few pounds, feel better, here's what I want you to do. Now, my program's all about intermittent fasting. My members are losing weight every single week. But if you want to just get started on your own, let me give you some tips to do that. Now, the hardest part about intermittent fasting is in the morning time, it's just water, and if you're a coffee drinker, that coffee must be black. Oh, hi, 7. Now, if you can get past that, you're gonna have 3 meals throughout the rest of the day. Those 3 meals are gonna be within an 8-hour window. Now, what should those meals look like? Break your fast, I want you to have a big, hearty meal. I want you to be full. That meal is going to contain protein, vegetables, and good carbs. So, no processed carbs, breads and pastas and things like that. All other carbs are okay. A few hours after that, I want you to have a snack. Still might be full. A snack is gonna help boost your metabolism. But what kind of snack? Fruit. Any fruit. I'm okay with any fruit. And then your last meal within that 8-hour window is going to be dinner. Protein and veg. No carbs for this meal. We really don't need the carbs. Carbs are a great source of energy, but if we're not using that energy, it's going to be stored as fat. If you can follow this, you too can be a size 4, maybe even a size 2. But more importantly, think of how you're gonna feel.